How to fix Microsoft Office error 30045-29 in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Fix 1. Repair Office installation. Issues with the installation files can cause this error. Repairing the Office installation can help resolve corrupted or incomplete files. If that didn't work, leftover files from previous Office installations may create conflicts. Outdated Windows components can interfere with the Office installation. Ensuring your system is updated helps prevent this. If that didn't work, fix 4. Reset your network. Network issues may disrupt the download or installation process. A reset can resolve connectivity problems. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. After entering all command, restart your computer and try again and your problem should be fixed.